I Samla Minerva Wahlang ibadang arpo nem karta nakasnong nong mensong shilong ilala ban kinjo syakaching job ka bakraw kaching trang dik chang I nado ba idang rit ban long in nong nya lingsun lani pilot ilala ban Pynurlong shisha ya Jingphohsniew jung I lengba kaching kut chingmut scam bat kaching yaisha hitrang tungin ya shashkor ya kani ka khubor
pilot naka Chimes Aviation Academy kabadan Hajala Madhya Pradesh kabadai ka jingjab ka bakongsan ha ki kamnya lingsun jong I da kani ka jingjab jong I lala menta banwat ikilat ki kabu bat ki company penya lingsun ki bakhampau kaban yalam ru ye I ban khamjan shaka ban yo penheri ki lingsun ki barat ba bala jutip kum ki Boeing bat ki Airbus kajingya lenti jong I ru ka yatakhu lang ba Jingphohsniew jong ki kampen he lingsun hapo ri India Definitely
there have been some challenges. It's because I think most importantly was because there was like lack of counseling and idea regarding this field. So when I started off, I was completely blank because I not know anybody around me who has already been exposed to this career. So I did not really have any kind of guidance from the people around me. So what I used to do was like I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos. There are a lot of pilots who are bloggers as well. So that is how I started learning about about aviation. The representation from the Northeast region is quite less. So what I think most importantly is the counseling. If there could be somebody who could come forward and put some light about this and talk about aviation, about the setbacks, the challenges, and how rewarding this career could be, I feel would be very helpful for the youth.
Dakabapai kmat biang sa kijing job jong I Samla Minerva ilapan pa ka jingsngongo ka bakraw ya ublay nong bu nong thaw bar ya kikme kikpa jong I kibalaya kershan klem dak kertiang den ya I lapan pa ka jingduna hakalyang ka jingnang jingtip shapang ki kampen heling sun hakajala Meghalaya kalongkum umaw jingthot bat ilaya ro ru ya ki vlogger ki badai ki nongnya lingsun ki balapha ki jingtip ki bakongsan Kikme kikpa jong I Satyendra Kumar Joshi ba ikong miris tala Wahlang kilapan pau ya kajing snow sarang jong ki halor kan ya kajing job jong I.
I'm grateful to God and because of His grace and that He has been there always, we could do it till now and I feel very proud for my daughter because of her sincerity and her faithfulness towards studies that she wants to be and in the profession that she wants to achieve. For that I'm very, very proud of her, and of course I'm proud of my husband. He is the backbone behind all this.
Here my daughter, she wanted to become commercial pilot and me, I have guided her the way I wanted and she has fulfilled her dream and I'm very happy that she became a commercial pilot. And for that, I was always with her. Wherever she has to go, I used to accompany her. I used to go along with her. And I help her in everything in all her journey. Yes, we were facing little problem financially, but by the grace of God, somehow till date, we have coped up and we have done our best.
Hadian ba ila pendep ya kajing late school jong I hanong ba Shillong I Samla Minerva ila banjur halo kajing don kam man yo kajing ya silok ba kajing ai jing mut ki ba kham ba ka ba ya dai bat ki kam ki jam ha ka than stay lam ingi jong kari ila pan pa ru ba tang khndiat ngut ki Samla na ka ne ka than ki rung shaki kam ki ba ya dai ba ki lingsun na ka daw ba duna palat kajing tin lenti Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya.